Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want to share with us how to earn money 3 different ways with just one skill. Yes, there are a lot of skills out there that people learn. Yes, you can learn a lot of skills, but then if you just learn one particular skill, you will be able to earn 3 different ways. Okay, so if this video interests you, keep watching until the end. And before that, if you are new to this channel, kindly give us a subscribe. Just subscribe and then give the video a thumbs up whilst we go on to discuss these 3 different ways, okay, that you can earn through one skill. Okay, so guys, there are a lot of skills out there that you can learn. You can learn sewing, you can learn beading, you can learn hair making or hair dressing, you can learn nail making. You can learn a lot of skills. Okay, just name it, all the skills that you can think of. And then when you come to technology, there's a lot of things that you can also learn. They are all skills that you can put your hands on it. You can learn. Okay, even if you are having a 9 to 5 job, you can learn a skill as well. Okay, just learn one skill which is going to be beneficial to you. Okay, a lot of people are out here on the internet searching for side hustles to add your 9 to 5 work. Okay, out your salary, you are a salary earner, and then you need a side hustle that is going to support your salary. Okay, yes, just learn one particular skill, and I'm going to tell you 3 ways in which you are going to monetize that particular skill. Okay, the first way in which you can monetize your one skill is to sell the products, or provide the service. Okay, so in case it is beading and then you are able to learn how to bead, you are going to produce beautiful products from the beading and you are going to sell them to your customers. That is just the normal way and the traditional way of making money through that particular skill that everybody knows. Okay, but to bust your bubble, I'm going to show you other ways in which you are going to monetize it. Okay, so aside earning money from selling the products or also providing the service to people, the second way in which you can monetize that same particular skill is to create content. Guys, people are underrating this thing. Content creation is very lucrative. Okay, this is the gold mine of this time. Okay, content creation, it is the gold mine. It is the new norm. A lot of people are into the media space. A lot of people are into the internet. Okay, that is where you are going to meet a lot of people. Okay, the society nowadays, we meet a lot of people online, and then content creation or creating of content is just a sure way for you to get monetized. Okay, so you are going to create videos, you are going to create content about that particular skill that you have learned, and you are going to post it on all these social media handles. Okay, you can post it on Facebook and you are going to be monetized, you are going to be paid on it. You can post it on Twitter, you are going to be monetized, you are going to be paid on it. You can post it on TikTok, you can post it on YouTube. I'm much particular about YouTube because YouTube pays a lot. So creating of content is very lucrative. So if you have that one skill that you have learned, you are going to create content on it, make videos of it to teach people how to do it. Aside that, you are going to make videos just for people to see your work, and people are going to appreciate you. Aside people seeing your work and appreciating you, you are going to get clients too, and then you are going to be paid through that particular platform that you are creating content on. Okay, yes, so YouTube, for example, you can create content on YouTube about your particular skill that you have learned. Okay, and you are going to be paid for it. Yes, so if you really want to know how YouTube pays people, just search online. Okay, and if you want me to make a video about how YouTube pays, also just comment below. Okay, so creating content is another sure way in which you are going to monetize your one particular skill. So let's get to the last point, which is teaching or coaching people on that one skill that you have also learned. Okay, so yes, people kind to learn how to do this, but then they don't want to teach others, forgetting that somebody taught them also. So a lot of people are on the net searching for how to braid hair, how to sew, how to bead, how to do a lot of skills, searching for how to do these skills. Okay, so you can come online and then teach people. So you can organize classes, okay, online lessons, teaching people how to do this particular skill that you have mastered. Okay, there's something that I want to speak about. Before you are able to come out to teach people how to do a particular thing, you should make sure that at least you have the knowledge, you have like 80% of knowledge on that particular thing, so you can be able to teach people very well. Okay, yes, so you learning how to do it and mastering it is a sure way for you to monetize that particular skill that you have learned. Okay, yes, so if you know how to do that skill very well, you come and then create classes, create online lessons. You can create a WhatsApp group and then organize people and let them pay tokens for you to teach them how to do that particular skill. Okay, so for example, I'm going to take myself for example. I learned how to do Tom Brown. I'm able to organize online training to teach people how to start their business on Tom Brown production. It is a sure way of making money, and people are going to come and then pay you that particular token for you to teach them how to make that skill or how to produce that particular product that you have mastered. Okay, so that is a sure way of monetizing that particular one skill that you have learned through these three ways. Okay, it's just a short video to tell you that you can monetize just one skill through a lot of ways. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.